Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are doing great today. So, we will together work on this problem. The stem plot below shows the salaries in thousands of dollars of two different divisions in a company. So, we have two different divisions, engineering and logistic. The column in the middle is the stem, and at the bottom says note 5 with a leaf of 0 means 50,000. So in engineering, you have leaves of in the stem of 5, 8, 8, 9. In logistic, you have in the stem of 5, leaf of 1, 3, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8. So 5 and a 1 means 51,000. 5 and a 3 means 53,000. 5 and a 6 means 56,000. 5 and a 7 means 57,000. 5 and a 8 means 58,000. So you have stems of 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 stem would means 80,000. 8 and a leaf of 9 means 89,000. Okay. 8 and a leaf of 4 means 84,000. So on the left, you have the engineering salaries. On the right, you have the logistics salaries. And we have to answer the questions. Okay. Which of the following is true about the salaries? So first, we have to find out the mean and actually the 5 number summary of both the logistics side and engineering side salary. So if I may create a space, okay, so I will enter the data in L1 of my TI-84 from the logistics side. So second plus on top of enter, then number 4 says clear all list on the calculator, hit enter. Then stat and 1. I will enter the logistics information on my calculator. Now I can write 51,000 or I can write 5.1. Okay. 51,000 I can also write as 51,000. Instead of writing the last three zeros, I'll shorten 5 and a 1 to 51. So it implies 51 followed by three zeros. But in the calculator, I will enter the first data point as 51 instead of 51,000. Next one is 53. Next one is 56. Next one again is 56. Next one again is 56. Next one again is 56. Then 57 and 58. Okay. Then enter in the logistics side the salary 60 twice, then 62, then 65. Then on the logistics side, I will enter 70 and 71. Remember 7 and a 1 is 71,000. And the last entry in the logistics side is 89. Okay. So that completes the entry from the logistics side. Now I go to the top of L2 by hitting the right cursor key in L2. I am going to enter the data from the engineering side. Again, 58,000 will be represented by 58. So these data points are going in L2, 58, 58, 59, 61, 62, 63, then 67, then again 67, then again 67 and 68, then 70 for 70, then 75 and then 77. Okay. And in the 8 live in the engineering is 84 followed by 84, then 85, then 86. Now I've completed entering the data in L1 for logistic and in L2 for engineering. Please do not quit right away. I'll give you some important hint or tip at the end of this program. Now I need to calculate the 5 number summary. You ask me what is a 5 number summary, it will be minimum Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and maximum. Okay. I'll also get the mean of each. Okay. So let me change the color of the ink. Okay. And I will now move up a little bit. So I have the engineering side on this side, and I have, if I move up a little bit, logistic. Sorry. Let me erase this and draw it again. So logistics. Remember, logistics is in L1 of my calculator. I'll get the mean, mean also, and the 5 number summary. Oops, this is no good. Have to change this a little bit. Okay, so let's do for logistics. So calc, then highlight calc on the top row, then number one where stats, list is L1, which is logistic, and calculate. Remember, first I'm interested in the 5 number summary, which is minimum is equal to 51, then Q1 is equal to 56. Then I scroll down to get the median, which is Q2, which is equal to 58. Then I scroll down to get Q3, third quartile, which is 65. And then I get the maximum is equal to 89 for logistic. And if I move up, I'll get the mean also. X bar is the sample mean, is 61.33. Let me do the similar calculation for the engineering side where the data is in L2, data set is in L2. So I go stat, calc, number one, first line should be L2 because now I'm interested in the engineering. So second and two make it L2, go down to calculate, hit enter. So first I'm interested in the minimum is 58, Q1 is equal to 61.5. Moving down, median is 67. Q3 is 80.5. Maximum is equal to 86. And mean or X bar is equal to, which is at the top, 70.05. Now let's look at the option. Okay, range of size is greater. So I have to calculate now the range. Okay, so let me move up a little bit. So range is max minus mean, and that is equal to 86 minus 58. 86 minus 86 minus 58 is 28. And here the range is 89 minus 51, and that is equal to 51 is 38. So actually range for the logistic is greater than that in engineering. So let me look up the answers, options. range of salaries in engineering division is greater. Not true. Option A is not true. The mean of the salaries in the engineering division is lesser. That is also not true. The distribution of salaries approximately normal in logistic. Now, when it is normal, the mean should be close to the median. Okay. So if I move up a little bit, mean is 61.3, median is 58. For engineering, mean is 70, median is 67. They're close in both the cases. So 67 and 70 and 58 and 61, they're close. In each case, the mean is greater than the median. Mean is greater than the median in both cases. That means it's positively skewed slightly. The first quartile of the logistic division is larger. Q1 for logistic is 56. Q1 for engineering is 61.5. So option C is not true. Option D is not true. So how about the interquartile range? I need to calculate that. So let me move up a little bit and calculate the interquartile range. IQR, which is interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So for engineering, it is 80.5 minus 61.5, which is equal to 80.5 minus 61.5 is equal to 19. And here the IQR is Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 65 minus 56 is 9. So definitely this one is looking good. The interquartile range of engineering is more than that of logistic. So if I move this up, we can write IQR for engineering is greater than that of logistics, which is correct answer is option E. Correct answer, correct answer, option E. Option E, as in elephant. If I highlight that a little bit. Okay, so let me summarize what I did and give you some important hint. Okay. So first, I entered the data in L1 and L2 of the calculator. For logistics, I entered in L1, list 1 of the calculator. Engineering, I entered in L2 or list 2. I assumed that, not assumed, instead of writing the entire 58,000 for the first salary of engineering, I just wrote it as 58. 58 followed by 3 zeros. The 3 zeros I took out. Okay. I didn't enter the 3 zeros. So 58, then 58 and 59 in engineering, for example. Why? If I keep all the 3 zeros at the end, makes too much calculation becomes, you know, becomes difficult. That's why I did not do it. And I calculated the 5 number summary basically. So 5 number summary is minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. 5 number summary. On top of that, I calculated the mean for each. I also calculated the range, which is the maximum minus minimum. I calculated the interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1, what is the range of the middle 50% of the numbers, and that turned out to be higher for engineering than for logistics. Hence, option E is the correct answer. Again, you have to enter the data in L1 and L2 of the calculator and calculate the 5 number summary from which we can draw a conclusion. So I'll stop here today. If you have a question, comment, write me a note. Please write me a note. I'm looking forward to hear back from you. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And if you do not like this video, please give me thumbs down here. I make a lot of movies or videos. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. So if you give me thumbs down, I'll learn from my mistake and improve on the next video. And if you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and let YouTube know that you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll be back with another problem. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.